Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we delete the constraint in Autocad. So as you can see here, we have a different constraint, like this is the concentric constraint and here is the parallel constraint. So to delete the constraint, we just have to click on this parametric tab, and here in this managers group, we have delete constraint. Just after clicking on that, your command will be activated. Now you have to select the object where the constraint is applied and you want to delete that. Just after selecting, press enter. As you can see, this constraint is now deleted. Similarly, you can again select this delete constraint and select the multiple objects and then press enter. So guys, this way you can delete the constraint in Autocad. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.